Welcome to Kitchen Adventures. Today we are gonna make dill and chicken crepe rolls. We are using dill leaves in this recipe, which is also called sova saag in Bengali and suva bhaji in Hindi. This herb is rich in vitamins and minerals and has a high quantity of antioxidants. Now we prepare the crepe batter. Take 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of water, a teaspoon of salt and chopped dill leaves. This is a very easy recipe and can be prepared for breakfast or as an evening snack. So I've put all the ingredients in a large bowl and we will give it a good whisk. The crepe batter must not be too thick nor thin. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. For the chicken filling, pour a tablespoon of oil in a hot pan and add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry until it is golden brown in color. Add in 200 grams of boneless chopped chicken. Fry the chicken pieces for a minute or so. Then add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper powder. This chicken is very light and flavorful as I have not added many spices. After cooking on open flame to remove the rawness of the chicken, I'm going to cover it and cook it for 5 more minutes. The chicken is now cooked, so I'm going to increase the flame and continue stirring the chicken so that all the water evaporates. Now switch off the flame and add in a cup of grated cheese. You may use cheddar or processed cheese. The chicken filling can also be prepared beforehand and used later. Now I'm going to prepare the crepe rolls. Brush a few drops of oil to a non-stick pan. Switch off the flame and pour some batter depending upon the size of your pan. What we are looking for is a thin pancake. Once the batter is spread evenly on all sides of your pan, then switch on your flame to medium-high. Cook for a minute. When you see the crepe leaving the sides of the pan, that is the right time to flip the crepe. Flip carefully and cook this other side for 30 seconds or until it is just cooked. Now we are going to assemble the crepe rolls. Like I said earlier, I have prepared the chicken a day in advance. Arrange the chicken pieces in one corner of the crepe and put a generous amount of mozzarella cheese on top of the chicken. Now we start folding the crepe into a crepe roll. The edges have to be carefully sealed together. Our crepe roll is now ready. Microwave the crepe rolls for 2 minutes so that all the cheese is melted. You may cut the crepe rolls into small pieces or serve it as it is. These crepe rolls are loaded with chicken and are also very cheesy in taste. The dill leaves impart a refreshing taste to these crepe rolls, making it altogether a very healthy and tasty recipe for your entire family. Cheesy chicken crepe rolls are now ready to be served.